So this is the other table, and it's got ribbons, it's got punches, it's got embellishments, and it has some cardstock and other things. So I have some pink pirouette paper from a couple years ago, Grapefruit Grove, the Pineapple Punch, and these are all full packages. 2 packages of lovely lipstick. This is the Flowers for Every Season. So these were cards and envelopes for the Memories and More, but there's all kinds of ways to use that, and that's a brand new package. I have 3 packages of the Purple Posy, and I was really sad about Purple Posy that it went, but I also have here an ink pad and the ink refill for Purple Posy to go with that paper. So I've got 3 packages of that. A package of the Pretty Peacock, and then I made up a couple in color packages for you. So this is 25 sheets each one of these, the same number, 5 of each color in each one of them. So that's available as well. And then this was twine that we had. I can't remember the name of it now, but it's a little bit thicker twine. Then we have some mini pizza boxes. So I have some gold mini, and there's 7. There were 8 in a package, so there's only 1 missing there. A full package of the plain white. And then this one is 7 boxes, but one of them has, you can probably see there, a tiny little bit of yellow on it. So that's why that one's discounted a little bit. And then this little box. So this box here was, oh, and I didn't write on it what the name of it was, Love You something box, I think. And so I have 8 there. I think there were 10 in the package. And then some of our clear tiny treat boxes, so 6 of them there. Going again, there's our Purple Posy ink pad and refill. This is Summer Sun from years ago. So if you're running out of an ink your ink pad maybe is a little bit worn, or you just need an ink refill, that's a great deal there. I have some embossing powder. I have 2 shimmer whites and 2 shimmer blacks. One is brand new, and these ones are basically full. I will bet you I maybe used it once. So that's why they're priced there. It's really full. Gold glitter dots, and that price doesn't want to stay on it. There's 90 pieces there for $5. Then we have the Iridescent Pearls. They're $7. I have a full pack of our copper stars and a partial pack there, 23 pieces. A full package of our 2020-22 in color dots. And then some of these, we haven't seen these for a little while. These are the clear faceted gems for $5. We have copper thread, and that is 3, I think. Yep, that's a brand new package. And then we have some of our embellishments. So we're going to start here. So these are the Snowflake Trinkets. Do you remember those from a couple of years ago? I think that one wants to go upside down. Yeah, so they have a little rhinestone in them. So there are 13 trinkets in that package. These are the these are the sequins, the Peaceful Poppies sequins, and they are 7. These are the Iridescent Sequins. The assortment's great for shaker cards, these guys. This is the what were these again? I can't remember. Gems for in every season. And so those are greens and clear. These were those centers for the, it matches with that Perennial Essence paper. So they are sort of a yellow daffodil center. Great for flowers. These are little mini library clips. So you can see there's white and silver in there. I don't think there's black. No. So there's, I didn't write on how, I think that these are actually new. I'm not sure if I used any of those. I better check. These are our little sprinkles from last occasions, and that is basically full. I used them a little bit. And this is Stampin' Trimmer. So I actually found 1 set of blades for the old Stampin' Trimmer. This is not for the current one. So if you want that, let me know. Then I have an envelope punch board. So the only thing about this envelope punch board, there is a little bit of a curved piece that goes in there, and that is missing. Okay, so that's available. Then we have a bunch of punches. Look, oh, I didn't do my ribbons. So we have some ribbons, and they're all various prices. I have 4 of them that are completely new, silver edged white, and this is that Snowflake Iridescent one, the Seaside Spray Scalloped, and then the burlap. And then these ones are magenta, cinnamon cider. This is blackberry bliss. This is the tricolor purple, mossy meadow in the braided, which is one of my favorites. I used up all the red. No, I still have a little bit of red. This is mint macaron. This is very vanilla. And Oh, I've lost the name of this one. Pretty Peacock and Seaside Spray. Well, you know what? I have to look now. This is, it's not going to tell me. Terracotta Tile. Just lost that name. And then this is Ornate Garden, so it goes with that paper. And I did use a little bit of both of them, but there's quite a bit of ribbon there. Okay, on to the punches. So I found some of our old punches that work great. And these are great deals. There's nothing wrong with the punches at all. They're just a different format from what we have right now. So a 1 3/4 inch circle, 1 1/4 inch, a 3/4 inch over here. Then we have a 5-petal flower here. We have a scalloped circle, and then a bat for Halloween. I think this is called 4-petal punch. There's a little scalloped circle there, 7/8 inch of a circle. And then we have some of the ones that, sorry, you're getting a reflection there. Some of the ones that retired. So that's Story Label, I think it's called. Yeah, Story Label. This one's from a couple years ago and is a 5-petal punch. I really liked that one. That's why some of these come out now, because I've had them for a while. This is a confetti punch, perfect for our birthdays. We have our dog punch and balloon. We have, oh, I've forgotten the name of this one, Timeless Label, and our, I think that was classic. Yeah, classic label there. We have our tag topper. So this is the Scallop Tag Topper that retired last year. This is the Banner Triple Punch, so great for flagging. Then we have the flowers, Confetti Flowers border. So that makes a great border, and cute little flowers. And this is also a border, and this one was called ribbon, I think. Decorative ribbon border, yes. Okay, on to embossing folders. Embossing folders, I have layered leaves. These are all 3D to start with. Layered leaves and dainty diamonds, tin tile, absolutely argyle, lace dynamic, and seabed. And then we have some that are not 3D. And this one here is called Beads and Baubles. This one is the striped scallops. That was one of my favorites. Woodland, which is always popular. And then the smaller ones were the eyelet lace. Again, a favorite of mine. This one is really a favorite, and I really had to hum and haw on this one. This is Swirls and Curls. And then the last one here is the garden trellis. So again, what you want to do is you want to respond to the post on Facebook when I posted at 3 o'clock on Wednesday, 3 o'clock Mountain Time, with what you would like, and put everything in there in the order that you would like to receive it. So the most important thing at the top, and we will do our best to grab what you want. Okay, and that's it for this one, and be sure to check out the other videos too.